Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about if else statement in Python. Okay, so in Python, if else is just normally a situation kind of thing introduced in languages. So Python also has the same feature, but like in C we use if else if then else. So in Python we are introduced with new keyword known as elif. Okay, else if is replaced with elif. Okay, suppose if you are having a condition, if it is not satisfied, then it will go to the next condition that will be introduced inside elif. Then you can have multiple elif statements followed by one elif. Okay, below one elif, it is right to say below one elif. Okay, then in at last you have to write one else statement. It depends upon you. If you want some default condition, okay, else statement, you can place else statement. Okay, so there is nothing like switch in Python. Okay, switch case, like other languages have switch case facility, so Python does not uh, introduce with switch case statements. It has if else statement and introduced with new elif statement. Okay, suppose I have written this is first of all I am and it does not have any parenthesis. Okay, if else if elif, all these things do not have any parenthesis. Okay, so these are the things which must be kept in mind. Okay, suppose I have assigned value x equal to 3. Now if x equal to 3, then you have to, whenever you write some statement in Python, okay, like if, or you are using some while loop or for loop, okay, you're declaring a function, okay, defining a function, then you always have to specify colon. Okay, after colon your indentation will be it will be started. Okay, so this is a kind of syntax in Python, because in normally when we write code in C++, so we define our own indentation and indentation with tabs and spaces. So it simplifies or make it will be easier for a programmer to identify code or bugs, or uh, that can be a beautiful, and he can modify code in future also, and it can be easy for debugging also. So indentation is very useful to be maintained inside code. So Python has introduced a automatic feature of indentation. Whenever you place colon and after you press enter, it will always identify with one tab, or you can say one indentation. So by default, one tab is indentation, and four white spaces is one. You can four white spaces can be included as one indentation or one tab. Okay, in your code. Okay, either four white spaces or a single tab. Okay, this is the standard one. You can follow your own also. Okay, suppose I am writing condition statement block. This is why I have written if statement. Then I am writing its statement block like print 3. Okay, let's press enter. Again, if you are following your indentation, then it means it denotes that you are inside if statement. But if you close your indentation, then it means you are outside your if statement. Suppose I want to have elif statement. This is elif statement. X means I am expressing about some another condition. If this condition is not satisfied, it will go to some another condition. X equal to 4. Okay, print 4. Now this is the statement block of elif statement. If I followed with indentation, that it will remain inside elif statement block. But if I omit indentation, then it will be inside a uh, new queue, or you can say it will leave that elif statement. Okay, now if I read else, okay, it means you can have, then it follows whatever inside one whatever, if you just give one indentation, whatever inside your else statement block, this will be followed with one indentation, but if you omit indentation, then it will be outside your else statement block. Okay, so I write print another. Okay, now execute it. As you can see, it will give me the first statement because it is introducing and getting inside the first condition. Okay, so this is the scenario or your syntax how to write your if elif else statement inside Python. Okay, um there is something called in. Okay, in is actually membership operator inside introduced inside Python. Suppose it will be more clear if we will discuss it later after on discussing about list sequence range. Okay, because it is connected with that. Okay, uh, in is basically checks that if you are expressing something inside some another thing, then it will return boolean if it is present inside. Suppose this is my list 4 comma 5 comma 3. List is just a simple container, you can say array like feature in C. Okay, 453, and I am checking that if 4 in x. So what does it mean? If 4 is present in my list x or not. Okay, if it will present, it will print statement, it will return true. Then if it returns true, it will get inside this if statement block and print 3. Else colon print some another thing. Okay, okay, let's execute it. It will again print 3 because 4 is present inside my list. Suppose I have written 41, it is not present inside my list, so it will print dash. Okay, so this is about if elif else statement in Python. Okay,